Hi guys, I'm from the Pinnacles. Here I came my drummer. As our all member are absent today, so I'd like to thank Borok TV for this great opportunity to the young artists who can show their talent in front of the others. And I'd like to thank the viewers who have voted us. And I would like to thank Brother Koshi. You have done a hard work with us for doing the video shooting and all. And I would like to thank the all members who have done a great job for doing this great video and helping us and doing those musics and all. And at last I would like to thank our parents with their help and with their support. We finish our video as well, and I would like to thank our sponsor, Mr. Jivesh Jamatia, and I would like to thank Borok TV for this great opportunity to win this award. And here's the certificate.
Thank you.
Thank you.